The concept of kind plates emerged in ancient China, where they were initially used as a form of food presentation during banquets and ceremonial feasts. These plates often featured intricate designs and materials to impress guests and convey the host's wealth and status. The practice began around 200 BCE in imperial courts, but gradually spread across different social strata through the centuries. By the Tang dynasty, 618–907 CE, kind plates became a common feature at noble banquets, with variations such as lacquer plates, bronze plates, and jade plates being used by various ranks of officials. The primary reason for their popularity was to reflect the high standard of living and social status of hosts. These items were typically crafted from expensive materials like gold, silver, or precious stones, indicating their exclusivity among the elite class. Kind plates not only symbolized wealth but also served as tools to manage food consumption and waste during banquets. This concept evolved in the Ming Dynasty, 1368–1644 CE, with innovations such as using lacquer plates instead of precious metals, due to cost considerations, though their significance remained. The emergence of kind plates had significant impacts on societies, economies, and industries. In terms of economics, manufacturing these exquisite objects required specialized skills and resources, contributing to the development of metalworking, gem mining, and craftsmanship techniques. From a societal perspective, they reinforced social stratification by associating certain goods with particular classes. Moreover, their creation often involved intricate rituals that underscored etiquette and hierarchy. The drawbacks included waste management challenges associated with these luxury items. Disposing of kind plates post-use could pose environmental concerns. As societies moved towards more sustainable practices, there was a shift in the emphasis from materialistic indulgence to functional design elements in dining settings. In the long run, kind plate culture influenced culinary traditions and etiquette, significantly shaping the way food is presented and consumed across cultures. Looking ahead to 2050, with ongoing technological advancements like AI-driven customization of dining experiences and increased focus on sustainability, the future of kind plates could manifest as more environmentally friendly designs integrated into modern kitchenware. Additionally, AI could assist in preserving traditional cultural practices while promoting global adoption through virtual demonstrations or simulations.